apparently I am late on my first class in this public airplane. Amateurs. I said amateur. Oh, don't look at this. I so paid. That's not the time, Rob. Remember the freaking deal I said. God damn it, Rob. Okay, guys. Besides that dumb intro, I'm glad to see you guys. It's been a long time since I even made a video. This is my new character, and temporarily my new character, and checking if I'm recording. Yes, I am. So get used to seeing this guy a lot. Yeah, that's it. Is that a pink person? I think you had too much pectorism. Oh shoot! I didn't do it. But there's not a lot of people on the server, so I get to read my newspaper in peace. Oh, I have to go to the toilets. We have to pay the rent. Okay, yeah. At least I can go into my I didn't really have any other games to play. And meet my new friend, the fake Dennis Daily. Hey, hello, friend. Look at my muscles. Tatted out. Bit all over my screen. And if you wonder why my voice sounds so deep, I'm kind of sick. So that's why I haven't been making any videos. I'm gonna sit down. Can I sit down in the... Oh, cool. I didn't know that. Did you know that... Okay. Oops. Page 1 of 7. What is a school? I need my coffee. Okay. What's that? What is this? Bingo? This is so bingo. This is bingo. I'm telling you guys. It's so bingo. Hold on. Oh, yeah. Yeah. That's it, baby. Come on. Work it, honey. Work it, sugar plums. Work it, sugar plums. Work it. Work it. Yeah. Work it. Yeah. Work it. Yeah. Is that a dead body? I don't like being down here. There's nothing down here. Doesn't they have like some... I'm a weasel. I'm a weasel. I'm a weasel, guys. Whenever you get to the fair and they have like the weasels. Going back in my weasel hole. Welcome to my crib. We got some free coffee, a briefcase, it won't open, some newspapers from the 90s. I'm a weasel. So this person thinks they're all that. But you know what I think of you? Okay, I hate doing first person. But I think they're in some people are in here. I'm still working on it. Okay. I still don't even know how they have to be very, very gentle. Look, guys, it's the rare, ugly AFK guy with coal. Look at this camel. This girl looks like she went to the beach. And then she put on too much makeup. And she got a black eye. I don't know where I'm going with this. I think it's a she. If this was like not a roleplay game, This girl's trying to... I need 10 hours to pass. They decapitated me. Look guys, look at my monkey. Can you not say that he ain't cute? My fake mustache. I mean my totally real mustache. That thing is as beautiful as your mom. Oh, your mom loves me. I just realized this mug is as big as my head. Mugs. Mug. To be continued. Because this video is probably gonna try to make it as long as I can. To be continued. I'm a mug. My head looks like it's like an ice cube that you would... Oh my god, you can jump? Yeah. Oh my god, it's like basketball. Score! Oops, wrong buttons. Okay, thank god. I'm the king of your will, baby, baby. Alright, come on. Baby, gotta knock him down. Knock him down. Run. Yeah. Oh, it's the poop from the sewers. yeah. Oh, I used to love playing this game. You have to knock down the people, and they spill out their drink. And then this is like the refill station. Oh my god, what is wrong with my ankle? It's dark. Let me get that right here. Okay, you want to knock me down? Let's knock each other down. Oh. Get up. My mug is lazy as your mom. Uh-oh, I'm so dead. I'm leaking out my oil. Hold on, guys, I'm just refilling. Oh, would you look at the time? It's time for me to kill somebody. I thought this game would be a lot funner, but I don't think we know how to chat. Albert was here, and you Albert as the flamingo. Yeah, I love that guy. Back whenever I used to play this game, it was so popular. Like, people would try to guard the top, and they would be like the king, and they would sometimes have bodyguards. See, like this. Like, it would be so rare to see somebody. Like, it would be so rare to see nobody up here. Uh-oh, I'm leaking. Ah! Like, the best YouTuber ever. JNG did 3 games in 1. That's what I'm doing. You got your airplane simulator. You got your mug simulator. And now we're moving on to bird. That's right, baby. Can we talk about how the hell is my hammer? Like gravity, brother. This mug coming running at me. You gonna mug me for all my hot chocolate? Because I'm hot. I think I'm just gonna sit down and be a mug for once. Oh, you think you can refill? You're a kid, and I'm an adult. Die, stupid. I just want to play this game a little bit longer. Okay, nope, no. Okay, I'm a bird. I'm gonna go with some bird thing. Oh my god! Hey, look, it's my brothers and sisters. And what the hell? Oh, it's a microwave. That's so clever. What is that? Hey, hold on. I'm gonna have to turn up my sound. I'm squawking. Okay, I'm tired of that beeping sound. I'm a bird. Yeah, that's right, baby. I'm a fat bird. Is that a turd or a coffee or a nut? I think it's a nut. It's your mama's nut. Hey, look at the pole. It's a red and blue pole. The blue pole went to the store and saw the red pole. And then the fast bird came and picked up the blue thing and then ran with it. Wait, where's my blue pole? Get my blue pole. Come on. Give me my pole. I give up. Come on, faster. I got some bird things to do. Oh my god. How many freak... But you know what? I saw, give me, give me. Turn on my volume. I'm squawking. Give me my strawberry. I don't know if you can hear it. Give me it. Whoa, where am I? I don't know what's going on. Okay. Oh, hell no. Oh my god. Hey, is that an egg? Yeah, screw the strawberry. I said, screw the strawberry. I should get off. Where's my kids? My beautiful eggs. Oh my god, screw the giant strawberry. There's a giant ice cream. Yeah, I don't care about anything else. I got my giant ice cream. Come on, ice cream. Yeah, I'm still trying to... Oh, in J&G's video, he found a donut. Giant donut. A lollipop? That's a small looking lollipop. Ah. Oh my god, they're fighting! An anvil? An anvil. An anvil. Hey, look at the giant pole thing. Uh-oh. Oh my god, is that like a giant avocado? Can I pick you up? Uh-oh. What if you guys woke up and you were a bird? Well, what would you guys do? I know that I would freak out. Oh, I died. Okay, let's see. I'm the bad bird. Yeah, bro, look at me. Look. Hey, bird, look over here. Hey, you ain't gonna listen? Yeah, that's right. I'm the bad bird. Oh my god, that's a big ice cream cone. Ooh, what's that? It's like oh my god. Okay, release, bad bird. We got other things to do. Like through that giant bubble. Ah, you're coming with me, guys. Oh, hey, look, I found the hole. I want in the giant bubble. Hey, it's an avocado. No egg farming in lava? Now I gotta go find an egg and throw it in some water. Dude, Jimmy, let me in. Look. I just want in your giant bubble, okay? Let me in your bubble. Let me in. Let go. Let go. Am I in the bubble? Oh, I was in the bubble the entire time. Oh my god, is that a giant watermelon? Okay, the red bird, stop it, okay? I'm the yellow bird. Listen to me because I'm the bad one. Now let me out. I know I've been fussing this entire time. But let me out. Let me out. Seriously, now let me out. Okay. I need a... look. I've been through some tough times, and I think it's time for me to get a kid. Yep, come on. Nope. Oh, ah. Oh, God, here we go again. Yeah, see, ow, let me go. Ow. I'm squawking. I'm gonna squawk. Turn on my volume. Release me. Holy hell, my God. This guy's a real pain in my butt. Oh, hey, look, I'm the speed bird. Ooh, what's that thing? What's this? Oh. Is that a cave? Oh my God, screw everything else. I've been a bad bird. No, this guy actually has been a bad bird. Okay, I'm gonna stop with my corny jerks. Jerks? I'm gonna stop with my corny jerks. You know, some people might think to be a speedy bird, but me, I want in the cage. Are we there yet? Can I get in my cage? Or so many seconds, I swear, dude. Oh, bro, I passed this. What's this thing? What's it about? Is that a giant worm? Oh my God! Bro, that bird. Look at my giant log. Guys, don't forget to brush your logs. Oh my God, is that a freaking car? Oh, I don't care about anything else. Can I get this giant freaking... Come on, bird. You can do this, little guy. You know that there's the commercials, the emo commercials? Just crack me up every time. I'm just gonna give up on the car. Is this a portal to a new dimension? Holy cow, I was actually freaking right, bro. Bro, where the... Oh my God, I found all the freaking food! Alright, just give me an egg. This is all mine. Hey. I never really realized, how do I get out of this? Let's put it like this. How do I get out of heck? What's this, a giant door? Okay, guys. You know, I think I might end the video here. As soon as I... Is that cheese? Oh my God, I found my egg. Honey, move. Ooh. Yeah, screw my egg. What is that thing? Oh, just kidding. There's the door. I should probably end the video here. Yep, bye. Say goodbye to the bird again. And say hello to the... Yeah. You know, I think we did enough games today. Bye, though. Peace. Trying to think of the new outro. Your mom.